and welcome to the hsebox.com channel. This video is part of a series of videos dedicated to simplifying the study for the Nebosh exam, or just to remember some international concepts related to health and safety at work. We take the opportunity to inform you that we do not represent nor intended to represent any institution linked to Nebosh certification. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are happy to help you. So let's get started. Element 4. Promoting a positive health and safety culture. Part 2. What should be checked to assess competence?
To assess the competence, it's important to check qualifications, level of training, membership of professional/trade organizations, undertaking written or practical assessments, seeking references or recommendations.
When is training needed?
Training should be delivered on recruitment, induction, on-the-job training, transfer, new equipment, new technology, new systems of work or system changes.
What should be the induction training program content?
As a minimum, the induction should cover the health and safety policy, culture of organization, fire precautions, emergency procedure, what accidents to be reported, how to report accidents, hazards of the workplace, drink and drugs policy, first aid precautions, welfare provisions.
When should the organization deliver additional training?
The organization should deliver additional training when using new processes, new equipment, accidents/incidents, enforcement action, new legislation, result of risk assessment, newly promoted, refresher training.
How to define the levels of supervision required?
In order to define the levels of supervision required, we should take into consideration person's skills and qualifications, experience of the work involved, age, person's attitude and aptitude, nature and complexity of the task, employees' communication skills, any special needs they may have.
What are the factors when preparing a toolbox talk or training on health and safety?
The factors to take into consideration when preparing a toolbox talk or training on health and safety are: identify the training needs, identify the training objectives, the target audience, knowledge, skills, etc., training methods, lectures, videos, etc. How to evaluate the effectiveness of training, number of trainees, time available, training aids required, suitability of training facilities, room size, etc. Course rules and administration.
What are the barriers to communication?
The barriers to communication can be split into 3 different factors: the person, the deliverer, the place. Regarding the person, the more important barriers can be caused by sensory impairment, learning difficulties, inexperience, lack of motivation. Considering the deliverer, the more important barriers can be caused by too much jargon, language or dialect, ambiguity of the message, too complex message, lack of feedback, and, when considering the place, high noise levels, interference from PPE distractions.
What are the usual methods of communication?
The more usual methods of communication to be used are team briefings, safety committee meetings, health and safety representatives, memoranda, toolbox talks, newsletters, standards/codes of practice, work instructions, posters, notices, electronic notice boards, safety policy, induction and other training.
What are the written communication advantages and disadvantages?
For written communication, the most important advantages are: written record, can be referred to, can convey complex ideas, provide analysis, many people in different locations, can clarify or confirm oral. But the most important disadvantages are: may not be read, too complex and jargon, time to produce and expensive, tends to be formal and distant, does not provide feedback, difficulty to modify.
If you missed some information, you can review this video again. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. We are ready to help you. You can also download this information for free. Just follow the link below. We recommend you to see the other videos in this series. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us to create more videos like this. Don't forget to always stay safe. Bye bye. See you soon.